As a creator, the most important aspect of your business is your audience. And unlike in Web 2, Web3 offers a number of great ways to reward your audience for being an early supporter of your content and work. In this video, we're going to take a look at DeSo Ops, a fully decentralized open source admin portal for DeSo creators to manage their various projects, supporters, and coin holders. We will cover some of the exciting features DeSo Ops has to offer, as well as a tutorial on how to get started. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video. DeSo Ops is led by John Jardin, who launched several projects on DeSo, including the Essentials course, a great resource for people new to the community. After launching multiple projects on DeSo, John found it difficult to manage payouts, which is why he created DeSo Ops. DeSo Ops has a wide range of options to reward all your earliest supporters and the most active ones. You can do this in several customizable ways, including tailored token distributions, unique distributions that can be saved and reused, as well as ownership-based or equal distributions to your followers and coin holders. So let's say you have a growing list of people from the DeSo community who bought your creator coins and also tip you directly for your posts. Suddenly you blow up as one of the biggest creators on DeSo and you want to reward your earliest supporters. How exactly would you do this using DeSo Ops? Let's dive into the tutorial. So when you're ready to use DeSo Ops, you can head to DeSoOps.com and click the sign in with DeSo button. You'll click the account that you want to sign in with and you'll approve the transaction and you'll be taken to the DeSo Ops portal. So from here, you can see there's a wallet overview of how much DeSo you have in your wallet and any DAO tokens or creator coins you might have. So you'll be able to select who you want to distribute to, whether that's creator coin holders, DAO coin holders, NFT owners, or a custom list of users. So for this example, we'll do creator coin holders. So now I can see a list of users who own my creator coin, and I can decide to distribute them DeSo tokens, DAO tokens, or creator coins. For this example, we'll go ahead and distribute DeSo to them. So you can actually save the setup here in case you want to do this on a recurring basis. And if we navigate here over to the right, we can see we have a few quick actions, which is to reset the configuration, refresh, copy, or actually use HeroSwap to swap any assets cross-chain. And here in the distribution summary, we'll see how many total transactions will take place, what the current DeSo price is, any fees that DeSo Ops will take, any gas fees, the distribution cost, and which token we're going to distribute with this DeSo. So for example, if I want to distribute 5 DeSo to my creator coin holders, we can see down here that inevitability, my top creator coin holder will actually get $29 from this distribution. And going down the list, you can see how much each user would receive. And if we wanted to lower the distribution amount, let's just say we wanted to do 0.5 DeSo, then we could see how much each person would receive. And when we're ready to send the DeSo to our DeSo holders, we can go ahead and hit execute distribution here, and it'll give us a confirmation window. And when you're ready to go, hit the confirm button. You'll approve the transaction. It'll take a few seconds, as we can see here, and it's executing the payments to all of my creator coin holders. And as we can see, the payments were executed successfully, and we can go ahead and hit done. And just like that, I sent DeSo to all of my creator coin holders as a thank you for following me and supporting my content. And you can see just how easy it is to reward your audience. As a creator, this payout method is part of a rewarding strategy that encourages investment in creator coins. This strategy is vital for nurturing a dynamic on-chain community where supporters gain more than just content, they also benefit from your growth. DeSo sets itself apart from Web 2 platforms by offering creators like you the opportunity to quickly scale and monetize through various revenue streams. With DeSo, even a smaller community can result in higher upfront earnings compared to typical Web 2 social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, where having a massive following doesn't always translate to significant income. This dynamic is a game changer for creators considering full-time careers, as they are typically limited by Web 2's lack of funding and revenue models. With DeSo, creators have access to infinite digital leverage at their fingertips. Anyone can get started by simply signing up and engaging with the community. To learn more about DeSo Ops and John's work, be sure to check out his DeSo bio in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below, and you'll want to check out this video of NodesBit DAO, a project that is successfully running on DeSo.